Quick links is probably the simplest page here on Ultimate Brain, so I'm going to go lightning fast on this tutorial. Essentially, quick links is a place for you to favorite and then quickly access any page within your Notion workspace, be it inside of Ultimate Brain or outside of Ultimate Brain. And the reason I included this inside of the template is because my favorites bar, and let me show it to you actually, my favorites bar in my main workspace has a ton of stuff in it. And this gets a little bit tough to navigate sometimes. Now, right now, my favorites bar is a mess because I'm doing this product launch and everything is chaos. But usually what I like to do instead of favoriting tons and tons of pages is to utilize a quick links page where I have page links. And then I can toggle open this quick links page, which I have favorited, to see those page links inside of my sidebar. So let me go grab a random page. I'm gonna grab the task manager by hitting Control L, be Command L on a Mac. And I'm gonna go over to my quick links page and I'm gonna hit this little plus button and then paste that link that I have on my clipboard. I very specifically want to choose link to page because if I mention the page, that will create what's called an inline link. Inline links can be actually placed in the middle of text sentences and in other blocks, so they're very flexible, but they will not show up inside of the sidebar. Instead, I want to choose link to page, which creates a full link block, and it shows up in the sidebar. Now, the other question you might have is, what is this red outline box right here? Well, this is actually a synced block, and if we go over to the dashboard in Ultimate Brain, we will see that exact same synced block, so we can see our quick links on the dashboard as well. So if you have a quick link and you want to see it on your dashboard, in addition to the favorites sidebar here, you could drag your link inside of that synced block. And then if we go back over to the dashboard, we are going to see it right there. So that's about all there is to say about quick links. If you have questions about them, I will be in the support area of our Circle community to answer them, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.